Well, it's a shocking case of indifference. A 17-year-old girl suffered serious damage to her vocal cords after being subjected to ragging by her peers in college. While her family alleges that her peers tried to choke the victim, the college authorities are brushing off the incident as a mere prank.
She hasn't uttered a word over the last 3 days. Too traumatized to even recount her ordeal.
She went and she was crying in the room, and suddenly he went to bathroom and he was washing her face. And suddenly two girls went and some from backside something they scratched and they shouted near ears. This sister fallen down.
17-year-old Shamili attacked in her college hostel, allegedly by 2 of her peers, almost losing her voice in the process.
Those people who are sensitive and delicate, if they are subject to this kind of situations, they may all of a sudden lose their voice. So we diagnosed it to be functional aphonia.
Yet, college authorities outrightly denying the charge.
It's not a ragging, sorry. It's not a ragging. Just she was hearing something. That's all. We don't know clearly, but she was felt fear something. And that's all.
Instead, terming her traumatic experience as a figment of her imagination.
All the students are, and at that time, all the students are studying in the position of study hours. So there is no students in the hostel. At that time, she is going to bathroom and doing something like that. She is crying and fell down.
But her indignant family refusing to let her endure in silence.
कॉलेज वाला बोल रहा है रैगिंग वगैरह नहीं है करके वो मीडिया में बोल रहा है और उसमें हासमा और वगैरह फिट्स वगैरह है करके उन लोग दे रहे। एक दिन भी प्रिंसिपल आके नहीं देखा इंसिडेंट। उस टाइम पे उसका ब्रदर आके लेके जा रहा था, उस टाइम पे भी हॉस्पिटल में भी नहीं आया, किस हालत में भी हेल्प नहीं किया।
Despite a ban on ragging by the Supreme Court, several education institutions across the country have failed to implement it in letter and spirit. And the failure to check could threaten a 17-year-old's vocal cords who was studying in this very college, an allegation that the college authorities completely deny.
The local police on their part, offering the usual lip service.
Case were registered with the 307 IPC, 202 IPC, as well as Section 4 and Section 7 of AP Prohibition of Ragging Act, in which the management also has been included because the management failed to inform the police the incident that happened.
After attempting to brush off the matter by calling it a prank.
Perhaps 2 girls who are not identified as of now. I think they attacked this girl due to some personal reasons. Perhaps it may be a dirty prank or something which was played, and due to this, suddenly this prank the consequences became so bad.
But can the administration who chooses to call an offence as serious as ragging, as a prank, be trusted to do the needful? Bureau Report, Times Now.